Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
This is Ariel. This is Joe. We're from
Total Appliance AC.
Yes, Total Appliance and Air Condition Repairs out of Hollandale. We're gonna be today removing an older model of brand X, as you can see. Very tight quarters. We're gonna have to do some major repiping, but nothing that we haven't encountered before. We're gonna be putting in our favorite brand, Climatemaster. This is a TCV041, and we're gonna get into a minute on why choose Tropic. Well, we like Tropic for the service, the long-term relationships that we have built with Tropic, from the counter personnel at T1, Carlos, Alex, from our sales rep, my sales rep, Joe Zavalinsky, great person and very dedicated to answering all of our questions and taking care of our needs at Tropic. Pricing is always competitive, which keeps us competitive, and they personalize their service towards us. Now, why Climatemaster? This is where it gets interesting. From all the geothermal brands, why Climatemaster? Climatemaster, it is undisputedly the quietest unit on the market due to a isolated platform where the compressor lays in, and all major components as the reversing valve, the coaxial coil, everything is in that isolated platform. It creates for a very minimum sound level. Also, access to blower, access to the electrical panel, to the compressor right behind the electrical panel, makes one heck of a unit. Afterwards, we'll send a short clip of the finished product. Thank you. And now for the finished product, Climatemaster Tranquility 16, TCV041, fully installed and repiped. Thank you, Climatemaster. Thank you, Tropic.